And you thought I only did dead fairies. So you think I only do dead fairies? Well, I found this awesome thing at Rolling Hills. And let me tell you, the guy had it was in his buggy and he was setting it on the shelf and I took it. $3.75. I have not really looked in the bag. I didn't even look in the bag when I bought it. I just got it and grabbed it. And I said, must have. So, wasn't taped up very well. I don't know. I don't know what these normally sell for or where they sell, but I think it's pretty darn adorable. I am accepting the fact it's probably going to be broken, but hey, none of the little J.B. Weld can't fix, right? Story of my life. Getting more tangled. Appears to be, how many? 4 of the, oh, they're tight. I have a lovely assistant gonna help me. Ooh, look at me. Blood circle.
Enough.
Maybe, I may hand you the other ones. Well, once I get this one done. That helps. No, it doesn't help. Oh, yeah. Can you do one thing or another? Sorry, this has gotten to be kind of crazy. I think they're not attached. They're just, that's just stuck. Okay. All right, so that is very bent up, which I knew. I could tell that because that was sticking out. So it's going to take a little TLC to get it back into shape. But it seems to be bending okay. But my plan, after much love, those are so cute. See, here's one that broke off. I said, maybe news. Think old J.B. Weld would fix that? Probably. And spray paint it? No, I'm the worst with J.B. Weld. I'll put that on my husband's list of things to do. I mean, it is a daffodil. Daffodil. What do we call these? They blow away. Oh my gosh, I can't think of what they're called. Not daffodil. What are these?
Dandelion.
Dandelion. See, brain not working. No big deal. So, okay. So they have it like swirling. And I don't know if that's like the intended swirl or somebody just did it. I think it's going to be too short. But we'll see. All right. So this is my pot. People pay good money for a pot in this shape. I just leave mine outside for years. I have managed to kill anything I've ever planted in it. So maybe these will live a little longer. Yeah. Ooh, this is some sticky tape they used. I don't cause any more damage. Wow, they're so tangled. 4? Hey, you know I could do 3 and then 1 in the other. This one has got a... Oh, it's not broken. It's just like it's blowing in the breeze, I guess. And that one's missing its little end, but that's not a bad thing. And these are like screwed on the ends, so that's good. I don't have a fairy on this one, nor that one. How many fairies? Oh, there's 3 fairies, but these didn't have fairies. That's probably enough fairies. Anyway, hang on. I kind of like this curl that they're doing. I know technically this isn't a thrift up because I'm not doing anything fancy. There's 5 of them? That's 5. I could put 2 in another one. Wow, that's a lot of fairies on that one. Got lots of fairies. A lot of live fairies, no dead fairies. Oh, you know what? Maybe I will take it down the other one. Aw. And this one has a fairy at the top. And that one has a fairy at the top. I am going to do that. Put 2 over here and 3 over here. I'm gonna swap out. No, wait, I put 2. I think I want to do this. That pot's so broken. I'll come back to you. I really like this one. I don't know. Maybe that. Now I've got to make decisions. That's just too many, I think. Is that overwhelming? Hey, would you be my lovely assistant? Are you holding on to the camera for a reason? See, that needs to be just tightened. Can you see if it'll tighten up? So this is obviously going to take me a little bit of time right here. Now, but since I kind of got them the way I want them, Now, they're not facing the camera though. This is why I'm dressed the way I am. Ah! What in the world? Garbage. Okay, so time to do a little voiceover. Yeah, these took a little bit of time doing some zhushing, and I didn't think you'd want to watch me do it one tiny step at a time. And there went one of my dogs, by the way, if you saw that little flash. So I had 5 of these, so I put 3 in one and then 1 in the other, and I did a little swapping back and forth to see which ones I like better. So over time and storage and stuff, they were really bent up, but I only noticed one piece that was broken off that I had, and maybe there was a couple more, but you could tell by the solder that all the pieces were there. They're supposed to be kind of broken up and blowing in the breeze. Anyway, so how cute is this? So after I did that, I thought it looked kind of blank. So I went looking for stuff. And I had these, speaking of things that need to be spray painted, because these things are kind of rusty, I said, hey, I've got some really cool candle holders that I can use. And so I put those in to, mix in with that. I thought it's going to look really cute. A little candlelight at night will definitely brighten it up. So I chose some orange candles that I had, and I thought that really complemented the oranges going on everywhere else. So it kind of blended together, I should say. Yeah, nice little Halloween-y colors, but also fall. So I think these were a truly lucky find. The candle holders that I got actually came from a neighbor's moving sale, and they were like $1 each or something. So for what, $5 or $6, and well, counting that, maybe less than 10, I put this together. Thank you for watching, and please hit like and subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification button because sometimes I make pretty good videos.